intel you recovered at the Yastreb complex allowed us to pinpoint the exact location of the EMP warheads. Gentlemen, they've been hiding in plain sight all along, stored at the Mozdok Proving Grounds in North Ossetia. Unfortunately, the surviving members of Yastreb have already found a buyer for the EMPs and plan to fly them out within the next 24 hours. That's precisely why our asset, Andrei Kobin and his men, are currently securing the Antonov cargo plane that Yastreb chartered for their little venture. Kestrel, Archer, we need you to take Mozdok off the grid in order to prevent local air defense from interfering with our operation.
In other words, we don't want to be shot out of the sky when we fly off with their precious warheads.
Once you've taken out the comms hub on the other side of the vehicle garage, proceed immediately to the cargo hangar and rendezvous with Kobin's team for extraction. By then, they should have loaded the warheads onto the plane. Agents, one more thing. It's imperative that you avoid contact with enemy troops at all costs. One alarm.
The mission goes south, got it. Vehicle inspection team. Let's find a way around them.
Good idea. Their equipment is heavily shielded. We'll need to use a dual EMP pulse.
I was just thinking the same thing. Let's get it done.
EMP's installed, Archer. I'm standing by.
EMP set, here we go.
Radio Mozdok is officially off the air. Now we should have no problems getting out of here with those warheads.
Hubris, Archer. Hubris.
Mozdok just dropped off the regional defense net. Make your way to the hangar for extraction. Kobin and his men should be finished loading the warheads by the time you arrive.
Let's hope so. The longer we're on the ground, the worse this situation's gonna get.
Yeah.
Who is this Kobin of yours? A job like this is no place for amateurs.
You're pretty super quiet, Chief.
You like to play? Keep your eyes open and report unusual activity. They have to be someone close by. Don't make me track you down like a dog.
Kestrel, Tango's lined up and ready to be delivered.
Ready to engage.
But we know they're close by.
Kestrel, Tango's lined up, preparing to engage.
Kobin, does somebody want to tell me what the fuck is going on?
You're not supposed to be on this channel, Kobin. What's the problem?
There's only 3 fucking EMPs here!
What do you mean there's only 3?
I've looked over every inch of this hangar, and there's only 3 warheads. Greed expects 4 EMPs. I only get paid if I deliver 4. Do the fucking math!
Kobin, this is Director Tom Reed. Calm down. We'll get this under control.
Well, whatever you're gonna do it quick! I'm twisting in the wind out here!
Director Reed, this is Archer. Kestrel and I are standing by, sir.
Change in plans, gentlemen. It appears that the Russians are running behind schedule, so the last device is probably still down in the test lab. Make your way to the sub-basement. There's a door off the main corridor that will get you into the base engineering section. You need to secure the device and use the facility's crane system to move it to Kobin's hangar before someone sounds the alarm.
You brought yourself some trouble, friend.
He's down.
Oh,
down.
Archer, is your gun ready?
Every time.
Archer, ready your gun. We'll clear the area together.
Kestrel, I'm ready to engage.
Archer, shall we clear the area? What do you say?
Every time there's a massive power surge or a base-wide system failure, we get the blame.
Pressure at 44.
120 Kelvin.
40.
440. 119.
Oh, 5 off, 510, 12, 515. 110215, check. 1783 70, check. 43 79 26, check. 39 26 38, check. 46 29 63, check. 00 28 96, check. 39 278, check.
Throwing an EMP.
Oh, stand by for energy fully charged.
There's no way we can move it like this. We'll need to discharge it first. The Faraday cage should contain most of the pulse.
We'll have to restart the crane system after.
Can't be helped. We can't risk this thing going off in flight and frying our getaway plane. How long until the freight system resets? That's several minutes longer than we've got.
That crane's got that manual control. One of us needs to get up there and get it running.
Kestrel, I'm about to even the odds. Could use some help.
They've got to be here
Targets
somewhere.
acquired.
I'm going to stay here and keep watch. Let's get this over with. I promise to kill you quick.
I'm ready to clear the area.
Keep watch for me.
Ready for lethal action.
It's 2 against 1. What are you afraid of?
Tango's lined up, ready to engage.
Preparing to clear the area.
They must have left the area.
Kestrel, Tango's lined up. Let's give him hell.
Keep your eyes open. There's no way either of you are getting off this base.
Keep your eyes open.
What are you two going to do when I catch you? Get down
Ready
on
to
your
engage.
knees and beg.
More context, but keep at it.
Kestrel, Tango's lined up and ready to be delivered.
Archer, is your gun ready?
Real fight, eh? Dip.
Nothing here, but they've got to be
Kestrel,
close.
Tango's lined up, preparing to engage.
Archer, ready your gun. We'll clear the area together.
You are here somewhere.
Kestrel, I'm ready to engage.
I'll guard here. Show yourself,
Archer,
Suke.
shall we clear the area? What do you say?
Kestrel, I'm about to even the odds. Could use some help.
Targets acquired.
If you had a pair of balls,
I'm ready to clear the area.
stand up and try to put a bullet in me.
Ready for lethal action.
Tango's lined up, ready to engage.
You're like a pair of cockroaches that scatter with their
Preparing
legs.
to clear the area.
Kestrel, Tango's lined up. Let's give him hell.
Ready to engage.
What are you two waiting for? It's 2 against 1.
Kestrel, Tango's lined up and ready to be delivered.
Stay sharp. They're gonna try.
Archer, is your gun ready?
Kestrel, Tango's lined up, preparing to engage.
Archer, ready your gun. We'll clear the area together.
Kestrel, I'm ready to engage.
Archer, shall we clear the area? What do you say?
Kestrel, I'm about to even the odds. Could use some help.
I can feel it.
Targets acquired.
You wouldn't have the stomachs for real soldiering, would you? You sicken me.
I'm ready to clear the area.
Let's get this over with. I promise to kill you quick.
Ready for lethal action.
They're close.
Here I am, assholes! What will you do about it?
Tango's lined up, ready to engage.
Watch your back. They've got to be close
Preparing to
by.
clear the area.
You're both damn cowards.
Kestrel, Tango's lined up. Let's give him hell.
Ready to engage.
There's no way either of you are getting off this base.
Kestrel, Tango's lined up and ready to be delivered.
Archer, is your gun ready?
Come on, Gosling!
Kestrel, Tango's lined up, preparing to engage.
Archer, ready your gun. We'll clear the area together.
Kestrel, I'm ready to engage.
Show yourself, suitcase!
Archer, shall we clear the area? What do you say?
Anything?
Kestrel, I'm about to even the odds. Could use some help.
Targets acquired.
Here I am! Come and get me!
I'm ready to clear the area.
No contact, but keep at it. Just a matter of time.
Ready for lethal action.
Two intruders causing serious damage inside the perimeter. Intercept immediately. I'm inbound. Stand by. I'll make a deal with you. The first one who shows himself gets the lead. How's that?
Tango's lined up, ready to engage.
Preparing to clear the area.
Gosling, keep waiting. You have no chance.
Kestrel, Tango's lined up. Let's give him hell.
Ready to engage.
Kestrel, Tango's lined up and ready to be delivered.
You can hide from me.
Archer, is your gun ready?
I can't see them, but I got their bad feet.
Kestrel, Tango's lined up, preparing to engage.
Archer, ready your gun. We'll clear the area together.
Kestrel, I'm ready to engage.
Archer, shall we clear the area? What do you say?
Let's get this over with. I promise to kill you quick. Nothing to report.
Kestrel, I'm about to even the odds. Could use some help.
It's two against
Targets
one.
acquired.
What are you afraid of?
I'm ready to clear the area.
Eyes open. They're close.
Ready for lethal action.
Intruders are making trouble. Find them and
Tango's lined up, ready to engage.
hold your position. I'm on the move. You two are pathetic. There's no
Preparing to clear the area.
getting off this base.
Kestrel, Tango's lined up. Let's give him hell.
Ready to engage.
Slinking through the shadows.
Kestrel, Tango's lined up and ready to be delivered.
Archer, is your gun ready?
Kestrel, Tango's lined up, preparing to engage.
What are you going to do when I catch you? Get down.
Archer, ready your gun. We'll clear the area together.
Kestrel, I'm ready to engage.
Show yourself, Suke!
Archer, shall we clear the area? What do you say?
Kestrel, I'm about to even the odds. Could use some help.
Targets acquired.
If you had a pair of balls between you, you'd stand up and try to...
I'm ready to clear the area.
Stay sharp. They're gonna try.
Ready for lethal action.
What are you two waiting for? It's 2 against 1.
Tango's lined up, ready to engage.
They broke contact, but they've got to be nearby.
I thought you two were dangerous, Cantone!
Preparing to clear the area.
Kestrel, Tango's lined up. Let's give him hell.
Stay away from the real fight, eh? What a...
Ready to engage.
Kestrel, Tango's lined up and ready to be delivered.
Archer, is your gun ready?
You have no chance of getting away.
Kestrel, Tango's lined up, preparing to engage.
Archer, ready your gun. We'll clear the area together.
You wouldn't have the stomachs for real soldiering, would you? You sicken me.
They must be somewhere in the area.
What's the matter? Can't summon up the...
Kestrel, I'm ready to engage.
Archer, shall we clear the area? What do you say?
Kestrel, I'm about to even the odds. Could use some help.
Now, I know you're both here.
Targets acquired.
Do not drop your gun.
I'm ready to clear the area.
Let's get this over with. I promise to kill you quick. Here I am, assholes. What will you do about it?
Ready for lethal action.
There's no way either of you are getting off this base.
Tango's lined up, ready to engage.
Gasling!
Preparing to clear the area.
What are you two waiting? Go against one. Certain area. Find them through there and finish them. They've got to be close by.
Kestrel, Tango's lined up. Let's give him hell.
Stay alert. They could be under force.
Ready to engage.
Nothing yet. I'll stand watch here. Keep looking.
Kestrel, Tango's lined up and ready to be delivered.
Nothing yet, but they...
I'm going to stay here. I'll make a deal with you. The first one who shows himself gets to me. How's that?
According to the base schematics, the cargo rail is blocked at several points by heavy blast doors. Each door is controlled by a pair of access panels. You need to enable both of them to open it.
Archer, I've got security doors blocking the warhead. We'll need to find the two safety panels and access them at the same time.
Copy that. I've seen this before. We'll need to wait for the EMP to reach the doors before we can use it. Activated.
Security doors open now.
They must be somewhere in
I'm
the
going to
area.
stand watch here for I don't know what your game is. What are you, a spy? A saboteur? You're a dead spy. God damn it. Whoever you are, you can't hide. What?
Sleeper, clean.
First panel activated. You need to access the other panel.
Doors open, yeah.
Archer, is your gun ready?
Castro, Tango's lined up, preparing to engage.
Archer, ready your gun. We'll clear the area together.
Castro, I'm ready to engage.
Don't hide like a whipped suka.
Archer, shall we clear the area? What do you say?
Castro, I'm about to even the odds. Could use some help.
Targets acquired.
It looks like they managed to slip away. Stay sharp and keep an eye out for...
I'm ready to clear the area.
They're not far, I can tell you that.
Ready for lethal action.
I don't know who...
Tango's lined up,
but you're
ready
not
to engage.
right.
Preparing to clear the area.
Castro, Tango's lined up. Let's give him hell.
Put an end to this. I know this area better than you.
Okay, Castro. Your
Panel access. Waiting for you.
Show yourself. I'll guard you.
Castro, Tango's lined up and ready to be delivered.
They've got to be here somewhere. I'm going to stay here and keep watching.
They broke contact, but they've got to be nearby.
Come on out, you little shit!
Panel activated. Waiting.
You're in over your head! We'll lose us.
security doors open. EMP move.
We've got a problem. We've got an intruder. Find him and kill him before he can cause any more damage. Nothing yet. I'll stand by. Hey!
Okay.
Nice. Doors open.
Archer.
Watch it. Turret.
See ya. Thanks, Monroe. Turret's mine.
Sorry, fellas. We didn't have to this way.
Panel accessed. Waiting for you.
All right, we're good to go.
Sorry, buddy. Not your day.
Heads up, gentlemen. We've got reinforcements on your heels. They're tracking and intercept you before you can reach the hangar.
We've got the man down. Search the area.
Archer.
Throwing an EMP.
Throwing an EMP. access, waiting for you.
Nice. Let's get this EMP into the Antonov.
Gentlemen, we're almost out of time. Someone noticed that Mozdok has gone dark, and the fighter regiment at Astrakhan has gone on alert. We're also getting indications that the base's surviving security troops are gathering a few hundred meters from the hangar. It's only a matter of time before they try to storm the place and
Copy that. Moving now.
Over here! Come on! You took your goddamn time getting here. Another 10 seconds, you would have been walking home. Money or no money.
They will rush the hangar soon. How long must we wait?
We got the engines lit, okay? You just keep those goddamn Russians off long enough for us to get the EMP strapped down. Then we're out of here. I'm heading up to the flight deck. Cover me!
Kestrel, listen carefully. That turret's a hardened target. EMP grenades won't finish it off. The only way you're gonna neutralize it is by using the main power bus to control it and overload both of your EMP packs.
That was unavoidable. Lights out, asshole.
Archer, I'm throwing an EMP.
EMP's ready to go. Call it.
EMP set, here we go.
Now return to the Antonov ASAP for exfiltration.
Shit! The goddamn ramp won't raise. You need to get back here and find a way to raise the ramp.
Sweep the area for any sign of intruders. You like to play hide and seek? Fine, here I come.
Tangos lined up, preparing to engage.
Archer, is your gun ready?
Kestrel, I'm ready to engage.
There must be someone in the area. You're wasting your time. Nothing to report. Everybody stay sharp and keep an eye out.
What are you waiting for? Raise the fucking ramp already!
Whoever you are, you might as well give up now. No sign of them yet. Keep alert. You want to die? You better stop screwing
ramp! This is going to get ugly for you, Protect. Show yourself! Come on out, you little shit! When I catch you, Smollett, you'll wish you'd never been born! Sooner or later, I'm going to find you. You like to play hide and seek? Here I come. Cut him! Put that end to you! I don't think you're a better.
God damn it. They hit the hydraulic feed. I can't raise the ramp.
We must use the hand cranks, and we must move.
Go for Archer.
Why aren't you answering your OPSAT?
I don't have it with me. What's wrong?
Where's Agent Kestrel?
On the cargo deck sleeping. Why?
Terminate him.
It is as it is. Right. My drug.
orders. On orders. Run, Chief.
Archer, Kestrel, listen carefully. That turret's a harder target. EMP grenades won't finish it off. The only way you're gonna neutralize it is by using the main power bus in the control room to overload both of your EMP packs.
Tango down.
EMP's installed, Archer. I'm standing by.
EMP set. Here we go.
Now return to the Antonov ASAP for exploration.
Archer, I'm throwing an EMP. Sorry, Moitro. No luck for you.
Shit! The goddamn ramp won't raise. You need to get back here and find a way to raise the ramp.
Threat neutralized.
What are you waiting for? Raise the fucking ramp already! The ramp! Raise the fucking ramp!
No luck for you. Archer, I'm throwing an EMP.
God damn it. They hit the hydraulic feed. I can't raise the ramp.
We must use that.